handling web table or HTML table. Say Planet One static table. In this table, this is static. We can't edit this one. Generally, we can't edit web tables. Web table only for display. Some web tables may show subtotals and totals. Okay. What are the important manual actions on web table? See, check displayed status. Next, it is in disabled condition, I think. Next, get, or you can say return a cell value, Next, return rows count. Next, return cells count. Rows into columns equals to cells count. See, we have direct methods for getting or returning rows and cells, but no direct method for returning columns. But if you get rows and cells, then you can calculate columns. See, cells by rows equals to columns. See, return columns count. So I'm using one intranet web page. I will send this page, you can practice. First, inspect this page element. Place mouse pointer on the element and right click. Inspect. Table. Where is that one? Copy XPath. What is the XPath value? Okay. Here no name for this table. This is the XPath value. Next, launch Eclipse IDE. First, give a page URL. This is local page. Intranet. Next, check displayed status of this table. We got XPath for identifying or locating the table. Saurobush.
Driver dot
Boolean status equals to driver dot
find element by XPath.
Just driver dot find element. Next, by dot XPath value, this one. Dot is displayed. System dot out dot println status. It has to return true. Run the code. Okay. I didn't use driver dot close. True, true. It is showing displayed status as true. Okay. Next, uh, get rows and cells. Okay. Here I am creating web element, web element, web element. Here, creating web element is mandatory. Creating web element is mandatory in this scenario. Web element, suppose customer table, it is web element name. You can use any meaningful name. Next, locate the element, semicolon, semicolon. Next, remember list library, list, create list for rows, list. I think we use a list for drop down box, counting items for items of a drop down box. List rows equals to element. Element is customer table. Customer table. Here rows, number of items. Cells, number of items. So use list instance. Customer table dot. Here first time I am using find elements. Find elements. Find elements. Observe Saurav Ghosh. Here, every cell is one element. Table is main element. In this table, we have some cells, 3 columns, 4 rows, 12 cells, 12 elements. Suppose if you want to return this Jackson, you can get XPath for that Jackson. Getting?
Yes.
Every cell value is having XPath. Okay, that's why I am using find elements instead of single element. Find elements. Okay. Here we need to use tag name only. Tag name only. With find elements. With find elements WebDriver method, we use tag name only. Here in this scenario, tag name is mandatory. Others won't support. By dot
Tag names.
tag name. Here we are going to get Rosna TR. I will explain what is TR. In this table, table is one tag. In this table, TR tag is there. TR means table rows. Table rows. Next, TD one tag is there. TD means table data. Table data means cell. Combination of row and column. TR means rows, table rows. TD means table data. If you want to get rows, use TR tag. If you want to get cells, use TD tag. This is not only for this table. You take any web table. These are the fixed tags. TR, TD. Okay?
Okay.
TR. Next you can get import list. List available in java.awt, java.util. Java.awt not work na. Util na?
Yes.
Util. Okay. Next count. Suppose you can return and display, otherwise direct display. Suppose system dot out dot println rows. Rows is list object. Rows dot size. Rows dot size. What is the output? Rows dot size. Just a minute. Open the table. Rows dot size. It will display 4, I think. 4. 4. Driver dot close. Run the code. Run this partial code. True 4. Okay now. Next, get the or return the cells. Suppose create one more list instance. List cells equals to continue sir. List cells equals to
Computer table dot find elements.
customer table
Customer tables.
dot find
Find elements.
find elements by dot
By dot tag name td.
tag name td table data td for any table semicolon. Next, system dot
Sys
out dot
out.
println
Rows dot cells.
cells
Or cells dot cell.
cells dot size
Dot
size cells. How many cells?
12.
12. Next, no direct web method in this list instance. No direct method for getting
Column.
columns. So you if you get rows and cells, you can easily get columns. See, suppose system dot out dot println cells dot size. Cells dot size by
By rows dot cell.
rows dot size. Rows dot size. It will display 3.
4. 3.
3. 3 columns. We have 3 columns in the table. Okay. Next, I want to return this Jack Smith. I want to return this value. Inspect this one. Get XPath. Copy XPath. I want to return na. Return means string a variable required for storing the data. String cell value equals to driver dot find element by dot xpath value, this one dot
Get text.
good get text. Next, system dot out dot println
Cell value.
cell value. It will return Smith. Okay. Next here, I am directly displaying rows. Suppose I want to use this value for other operations. For that, I need to return that value. How to return? First,
Int.
check the output type. Output type is int.
Rows number.
Create one integer variable. Suppose int. Suppose row size. We can use underscore. Underscore is acceptable in identifiers. Row size equals to
Rows dot size.
rows dot size. Semicolon. This is the proper way. Direct display, only display. Next here, cells.
Int. Cell
Int.
size.
Cell size. Otherwise meaningful. Cell count. Cell count equals to just a minute. Here, place this one. Here also you can use formula. Column count. Column count equals to cell count by row count, semicolon.
To any integer.
Integer. Data type required. Okay. Run the code. Here we have true, 4, 12, 3, Smith. 5 outputs. Run the code. Maximum. See. True, 4, 12, 3, Smith. Okay now.